So it's really superb. So he's trying to hunt fish. So look at this, it's amazing movements. So watch this. Go on. Oh yes. Super hunt. Really. It's amazing. And it's a little water and little fishes are in the water. But these frogs also. But he's so excited to hit a frog. Oh. Come on. This really amazing from short-haired German puppy. GSP puppy in German, short-haired pointer puppy. It's really amazing. And look at this. It's still on the way for the hunt. Oh. Look at his searching style. Really is amazing. So finally he's on another mood. So it's the agriculture rice, so where he can try to hunt